Hi everyone, welcome back to the podcast. It's me and Arun back again. Happy week, happy Monday. Hope you have a productive week ahead. And I guess it's the last week of the month before we hit into April. What do you say, Arun?
Yeah. And now cricket is going, but
Yes.
we don't mind what is the last week of the month.
No, you don't care.
Everyone is inclined
Everyone's
towards the
focused on
cricket.
IPL.
Yeah.
I can understand that.
Mm.
It's in a wonderful age to be in where the world doesn't matter. As long as 20 overs
Who
are
wins the
played,
title,
20
that's
overs
the-
are played and then exchanges and then another 20 overs. Then to see the points table. Yeah, it's good. I agree. Until your team starts losing, then you don't watch it anymore. Right. So what are we talking about today?
So this podcast is going to be about comparison between Tata Investment Corporation and Tata Sons. So we all know that both Tata Investment Corporation and Tata Sons invest in lot of Tata companies. But what is the difference between Tata Investment investing in other Tata companies versus Tata Sons investing in other Tata companies?
Right. First of all, Tata and Sons is much bigger than Tata Investments. Tata and Sons holds a lot of Tata's own private companies are held within Tata, which have not gone public, which you don't even know about. So Tata and Sons is like a black box, like I said before. It's not a publicly traded company. Of course, there are rumors now that RBI will force it, but Tata's will
Find a way.
And they'll lower their bar to the point where they will not have to go IPO because they will never go IPO. The company has been with them privately held for 150 years or so. So now there will be no push from anybody to make them go public. They'll comply to the new rules. That said, Tata Investment Corporation is a publicly traded company. So what it allows you is, it allows you an opportunity to imagine that you're a part of Tata and Sons.
Okay.
Right. So if you are not able to buy Tata and Sons, like all of us are not able to buy Tata and Sons, the next best thing to do is buy Tata Investment Corporation. Tata Investment Corporation engages by investing in businesses which are listed and unlisted equity shares. So they are investing in companies which are listed, and they're also listing companies which are not listed, right, through private investment. So it's a great company to be in for the simple reason it gives you an opportunity to trade into Tata companies without having to buy all the Tata companies. It's like a holding company. It's like buying a mutual fund. Let's say buying a Tata fund. Instead of buying a Tata fund, you buy a Tata investment. It's the same thing. But as Anand always says, you should check price to earnings. What is you're paying? Is it value for the money you're putting in? Because like Anand says, you can't take a go just because it's a diamond needle. You cannot poke your eye with it. At this current pricing where Tata investment sitting at 6,465, okay, it's corrected from recently where it was at 9,700. It's come down to 6,400. I would not say it is worthwhile investing into this at PE ratio of 95.5. Right? At 95.5, the PE ratio is obscene. And there are a lot of other companies. If you have 6,000, 7,000 rupees change sitting on the table, there are lots of other better places to invest your money. Not that Tata Investment Corporation is a bad company. It's a great company, but at this current price point, I would say it's not worthwhile investing. Even if you had looked at it, what you call a year back, it was trading at, in March 2020, it was trading at PE ratios of 26 and 30.
That time itself, it's on the pricier side.
It was 700 rupees, my friend. Where is 700 rupees and where is 7,000 rupees?
Yeah, 10 times.
Yeah, that time itself you felt it was too expensive. Now that it's gone to 7,000.
And 95 PE.
Yes, it has left the building. Okay, the balloon has gone to the sky. Now you're saying, give me that balloon, what can I do?
Okay.
So there are like that. A lot of opportunities to buy and invest in Tata. There will come a day when another day will come when Tata Investments is at a reasonable price. At the time when I tell you, hey, Arun, consider it, you should consider it at that point in time.
Okay.
But the problem is all investors are very finicky. We like to always look back and say, damn, we missed an opportunity. But the opportunity in front of us right now, we are not able to see because we're so busy looking back and looking at what we missed. So Tata and Sons is something you can't invest into. Tata investment is an opportunity to invest. But a lot of other Tata companies which are fairly priced. Not all of them are at an expensive price range. And you can look at those. We were talking about Tata Chemicals a few months back. I think even Tata Chemicals now has gone through the roof, if I remember right, because of the Tata IPO. No, it's corrected.
So after the news that Tata Sons is not going to be listed, all the Tata stocks has corrected.
Correct. So there's an opportunity. Now it's come back to a reasonable PE of 15. So you can look at it. And this is originally what was the carrying house of all the beverages, which they separated and they made it into a separate company. Now it's only this potash is sitting into this. But it'll also do well over a long period of time. But right now it doesn't look attractive because the PE ratio is only 15. Once it goes to 60, 70, then it will be, sir.
Then everyone has to say, I missed Tata Chemicals.
What are you thinking about Tata Chemicals, sir?
I was saying that stock, but I didn't buy that. Everyone will say that.
Everybody does. And it's normal to do it. But like I said, if you don't have the time, you're busy doing your other things, you're busy being an editor, busy growing your career and, upscaling yourself. You cannot sit and spend the entire day reading about companies and look at all this. If that's not your thing, put it in a mutual fund and forget about it. Put it in a passive fund and let it grow. And the point is to put a little away every month. It's not put lots. It's to put a little away.
That's why Anand sir says Stephen Coffee, or what you spend on that, you invest that amount.
Correct. And the problem with your generation is if I say you put 200 rupees into ITC and the 200 rupees has become 250 rupees, you don't think that's much. You're like, I only 50 rupees.
Yeah.
What's the big? You're like, I want crores. I want crores.
Lakhs of.
Yeah. But if you don't slowly build, you will not be able to build it. Only when you don't have money, everything looks nice and big. Trust me, once you have money in your hand, nothing looks very glamorous after that. You wonder why people like Warren Buffett do not buy hotels and why do they not buy fancy cars and buy jet planes. There's no need to. What difference does it make? When you don't have money, it looks all very fancy. Anyway, it's been an interesting conversation. I hope it helps you to understand what the difference between Tata Investments and Tata and Sons are. Both are like pretty much holding companies. One you can access, the other you cannot access. That's the main difference. Thanks for watching the videos, guys, and we'll see you in the next one soon. Bye.
Thank you.